Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about how you can claim your $30 bonus with Just Markets. Whether you're new to trading or just exploring new brokers, this guide will walk you through every step to get that free bonus in just a few minutes. Just Markets offers a $30 no deposit bonus for new clients as an incentive to try their platform. This means you don't need to deposit any money to get started, but there are a few things you need to do to qualify and withdraw any earnings from it. First up, let's go over who's eligible. You must be a new Just Markets user, meaning you've never registered an account before. You'll also need to verify your identity by providing some documents, such as an ID or passport, to comply with anti-fraud policies. Here's the step-by-step process. First, register an account. Just go to the Justmarkets website and create an account using your email. Remember to select the option for the $30 bonus. Second, verify your account. Complete the verification process. Upload your identification and any additional documents required. Lastly, apply for the bonus. Once verified, log into your account, go to the bonuses section, and select the $30 no deposit bonus. Follow any prompts to apply. Now you can start trading with the bonus. Remember, there are usually terms and conditions on withdrawals. With Just Markets, you may need to trade a certain volume amount to unlock any profits made with the bonus funds. So check those requirements carefully. A few final tips. Make sure you read the terms for withdrawing bonus earnings. You may have a limited time to use the bonus, so plan your trades accordingly. And always trade responsibly. That's it. Now you know how to claim and use your $30 bonus with Just Markets. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.